Hi everyone, this is Anchal Soni. Welcome back to my channel. Today we'll learn how to swap between different chart types in a Tableau dashboard. I'll also tell you the prerequisites that are required to accomplish this. The intent is to display a particular chart type based on the parameter selection. So if I select bubble from here, see the area chart has got disappeared and in that place a bubble chart has appeared. So this would be our aim for today. First, let's understand the relevance of sheet swapping. Many of you might know that we have space constraints in Tableau dashboards, especially when it comes to showing multiple chart types. Managing this space becomes critical. To overcome this problem, we use sheet swapping. It enables you to show and hide the sheets based on the parameter selection. Let's get started. I have already created the duplicates of area and bubble charts here. First, I will create a parameter. Let's name it as choose a chart. Change the data type to string and create a list. This list will comprise the names of the charts that you want to display. I'll click OK, show parameter control, and now I'll change this to single value list. Right now, if I change the parameter values, the visualization has no impact because there is no relationship between the visualization and the parameter. If you critically observe, we are just filtering the sheets on the dashboard, which means the selected parameter value needs to be pulled down on the filters shelf. But there is no provision of using parameters on the filters shelf in Tableau right now. So I'll use a calculated field which will act as a mediator. Let's name it as calc chosen chart, and I'll just use the name of the parameter here. I want this calculated field to contain the value of just the chosen value. If bubble is chosen right now, the calculated field must contain only bubble. If I switch back to area, then the value should change to area. So click OK. Now I'll bring this, I need to change this back to area because I want to create a true condition in the filters shelf. So I'll bring this to filters. I'll check area and click OK. Now see, if I switch to bubble, the visualization goes blank because this filter condition is false now. The same thing we'll do with bubble chart. I'll bring the calculated field over filters shelf, check bubble and click OK. Alright. Now let's understand the prerequisites associated with this. There are two prerequisites. One is at the sheet level and the other one is at the dashboard level. The sheet level prerequisite is your display type should be set to entire view. This implies to all the sheets that you want to use for swapping. The second prerequisite is your sheets must be contained in a container on dashboard. I'm using a vertical container here. Let's select horizontal container instead. Okay. Now I'll bring the sheets here, area and bubble. Okay. I'll just hide the title so that there's no room for confusion. Okay. Now just observe when I switch back to bubble, the visualization just shows me bubble chart and the area chart gets disappeared automatically. When I switch back to area, it shows me the area chart. So that's how you can use the power of parameters to swap between different chart types. That's all. Thank you.